What's happening, guys? I'm Ada from DK Tune. Today's video is on this BMW 220i, which we'll be mapping. Now, it's in for a gold map today. That means that we're going to be dynoing it in a second. It's already strapped down, the fans in front of it and everything, so we're all ready for a pull. Then we're going to be mapping it, and then we're going to see what it makes afterwards. Now, the mods on this car is just an MST induction kit, which sounds absolutely awesome from the front of the car. And that's pretty much it. Normally we see some really big gains from an induction kit and a decat, but I don't think that this car has got a decat on this one anyway. So yeah, we're gonna strap it down, get it on, see what it makes, and then we're gonna be putting the map on, and then see what it makes afterwards. Guys, it's gonna be lit, so stay tuned. So guys, as you could hear from the run, you can hear that MST induction kit making some absolutely sick noises. So it made 205 brake horsepower and 287 Newton meters of torque. Now we know that these do map up really, really well. The last one that we had was just a induction kit and a decat, and that made 297. They do map up really, really nice. So we're gonna now put the map on and then see what we get afterwards. Right guys, the 220i is now mapped. Got it back on the dyno. We're gonna start running it now to see what we get. Hopefully we get some big gains. Okay guys, so we got some really, really good gains on the 2 Series. So it's gone up to 268 brake horsepower, which is around about 60 brake horsepower difference, which is absolutely mad. Just off an induction kit in a stage 1. Mad! And we've also gone from 286 Newton meters to 416. That's 120 Newton meters gain, guys. It's absolutely sick. So if you want this on your car, be it a stage 1 or induction kit or anything else, then please do not hesitate to message us on Instagram and Facebook, and also subscribe to our YouTube. I know that a lot of you aren't. Do us a favor, hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace.